Okay, so I've got everything here. I've got it lined up where I want. The next thing I'm going to do is add an empty, and I'm going to, and that was Shift A to do that, or just simply go up to add. And what I'm going to do is that empty is going to become the parent object for everything that is in the scene. The reason that I'm doing that is that primarily when I'm done with this, I'm going to export it as an OBJ and I'm going to bring it in probably into Unity. And it just works better with the hierarchy for what I'm doing. So in this case, I'm going to just go into empty. I'll rename that patients. I will push A to select everything else in the scene. Note that patient stayed a different color. So that's telling me that that is the primary object that is selected. So now that I've done that, I'm going to just go Control P and I'm going to set parent to object. And now everything is part of that same item. And you can see that in the outliner here. Likewise, if I go to the individual items and I were to grab them, you would see that there are these lines designating their relationship as child and parents.